10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Takes a run up! Oh, goodness, almost took that head off of Danny Luna. What is this? Black hole slam from Brendan White. And a kick out!
I don't know what's going to happen here, man.
That's exactly how I feel. I have no idea. We're starting off very quickly. Oh my God! Oh, Danny Luna kicks out. Jesus, I wasn't expecting that to happen straight away.
We're going to at least talk about. We're going to get a chance to be eased into it.
Yeah.
Not with Leon Slater about though.
Oh, look at that. Danny Luna reverses. Oh, Slater runs into the corner.
Oh, big clothesline.
It's a fan favourite here attack for sure.
Whoa. Handspring. Oh!
Luna beating the count at the count of 7. She's going to try for the Luna landing again. This time Crowley goes to the front, runs on his feet.
Sabar karo. Stretch your mouth.
Here comes the merry-go-down from Charles Crowley. Crowley with the hook of the outside leg and the assistance of that other leg, Luna. just trying to go toe-to-toe, shot for shot, but it's Luna who's getting the better of it, or it was, till that kick to the midsection from Wild Boar.
It's a who can last the longest affair, and all big flying kick.
I think White thought that he played a blinder last month, and again it's all, goodness me, discus lariat off the rebound. I was about to say, I think White thought that he had put the blinder there by making Danny Luna run the gauntlet against 3 of his trainees last month, but Luna again just proving what a threat she is to the title by beating everyone who was put in front of her, and that may have served only to make Brendan White even more worried going into this.
Oh, 100%, Dave. Danny Luna faced 3 very bright prospects that Brendan White put on the table, but
oh, what a suplex. Great power. A close
face. I know Leon Slater may be thinking that this partisan crowd in favour of Danny Luna.
Oh, how could they not?
Maybe
She's
just
local. Violence. And he's exactly where he doesn't want to be. A German suplex from the apron there by Danny Luna. And I think she's looking for Luna landing. Bang. Cover. And that's it.
अभी मजा आएगा ना भिड़ो नानजी भाई अभी आएगा रोड पे
Stop his brains. Hey, he's moving. He's moving. He's moving. Come on, let's go. Jump off. Oh shit! Yes. Keep up with these young wrestlers, rap. Come on, Jack. Come on, Jack. Come on, Jack. You want to tag? Yes. Yes. Throw him over the top rope. Yep. Yes. One more. Oh dear.
बाय बाय टाटा गुड बाय गया।